Hi, my name is Kish, and I'm going to demonstrate to you how my application works in API docs, and I'm going to show you how API endpoints are connected, data validation, error handling, and deployment. So as you can see on my screen right now, I have my database, and my database contains two collections, one for books and one for members. And if you go into books, you see that each document contains seven files where we'll store data. And also, if you go to members as well, uh, you see that my document also contains seven files that will store data. So let's go to my render.com. In here, we'll click the link to my live server. And in here, I'm going to access my API docs. So sorry, just for that. So these are my API docs. And going to demonstrate to you how I will be able to get all the books that I have in my Mongo database. And if I go to get, this first command, it gets all the books in my database. So if I'm going to try it out and execute, you see that all the collections of my books are already there in my database. Okay, so I'll just copy the first one, the first record. Okay, I'll use it for as we go. So let's move to the next. We'll go to post. So for the post, we'll create a new book by entering all the details, all the necessary details. So let's say I want to try it out. My book name, my book title will be um, uh, let's say Night Story. And it's written by Ben Ron. And genre is mystery. Published year, we'll put 2023, and publisher will be Real Books. Sorry, it should be Real Books, and available copies. We have 18 copies available, and language is English. English. Okay, so if I'm to execute this, let's go back and see if the book was added. So we say try it out so that we get all the books and execute. And you see, let's search for it. Let's search for it. There we go. The one at the bottom right there. That's the one we added. So let's move to the next one. Sorry. So we're going to the ones that will display books by ID. So if I'm to enter this, the other thing that I want you to see is the codes that are being that are being displayed right here. That shows the creation and the internal server error. This validate our processes. So if I come here and then execute, you'll see that I'll get books by ID, the one that we entered. That's the ID that we entered right there at the top. And we managed to display it on the screen. And when we go to put, here we're saying that if we try it out and we enter the same ID, that's for this one. Let's say we want to edit the genre and published year. We just come here and say from on genre, maybe we want to say it's action. In published year, it's 2010. As you can see, before you execute, year genre was Faith and published year was 2023. Let's see how it comes out when we edit it. So let's execute. Yes, so it was executed successfully. Now let's check. Let's go back to this one where we got book by ID and executed, and let's see how it comes out. Let's cancel first. Try it out. Let's see. Execute. Okay. It only managed to update the ones that I only did, and the other ones remain the same. So which means I'll have to enter everything from the beginning. So let's move to a delete book. I'll try it out, and I'll use the same book and delete it. Execute. Let's see. The book has been deleted successfully. So now, if I'm to go back to get book by ID, let's cancel it and try it out. Execute. You see that it brings now, which means the book has been deleted already. Okay, so from then we'll go to members. It's just the same process, but we will do it again. If we say get members, it will get all the members and execute all the members in the database. As you can see, we only have 3 members in the database. So we'll take that one at the top right there. Let's see. And we go to post. Would like to edit our document. I would like to create a new file, and we'll add a new member of the club. As you can see right here, let's say we want to say Peter. We want to add Peter Tosh here. And sorry, I'll say Peter first name and second name Tosh. Tosh. And email peter@gmail.com. Phone number 07. There we go. And membership date, it's 12, sorry, 04, 99. Just say 1999. 1999. Gender is male. Age 56. Once we hit execute, let's go back to the top and query the whole database and see if we get them. Try it out. Execute. So there we go. There's our Peter Tosh. And we move to get by ID. Let's paste the ID that we copied. Try it out. This will allow us to get by ID only, which means we're getting one member of the book show. And when we go to put, we're simply saying let's edit. So we say try it out. Right there. This is Sam Moku's. His email is Mok. So we're editing his email .com. And his phone number 07654. Yeah, maybe. And membership 8, 12, 12, 2022. Gender, male, age, good. And these are the old details, and these are the new details now. If I do execute now, if we come back here, we cancel it and check this details, and now we want to try it out and execute. There we go. It's edited. Now we go to put. From put, we go to delete. Let's say we want to delete the same person. We say try it out, enter the and execute. Executed successfully, and the code returns executed successfully. So now, if we go back to sorry, if we go back to get by ID, we say clear, cancel, and then we try it out again and execute. See that it brings our now because it's not deleted. So as you can see now, if we go back to our database, you'll see that even Temukus has been updated. So it goes for the books. Now from this point, we go to our what do you call? We, as you can see from this page, my site is being published from Live Server, and if we go into my code, you see that from my git ignore, I've hidden the .env file and the node modules in the readme file. This on the personal. The .env contains the code to my MongoDB connection, and which contains my password. So this is how my site works. Thank you.